Hello everyone, Nasir here again. Something interesting happening on or with the US dollar. I just wanted to quickly make a short video about. My last analysis on the US dollar was to see it coming down somewhere near 91, and that was when US dollar was around 96 or close to 97 level. So we've done quite well. We've come down just below 95, but things are about to change actually. So what I can see is that we're going to potentially see the dollar strengthen again back to somewhere around 97. And I do know there's quite a few traders on YouTube who are actually talking about this as well. There was a break below this key support here at 95, which did cause concern actually, but the dollar just bounced back really quickly, and I'm expecting that bounce back to continue actually, and for the DXY to strengthen back to 97, which should cause cross currencies like Euro, USD, GBPUSD, and so forth to start dropping for a while. Thereafter, I would expect the dollar to start heading back down again, but we're still a while away from that. So for the time being, on the interim, I do expect the dollar to strengthen back up to 97 level for the DXY, and thereafter we can go back to the previous analysis, which is for the bigger picture, where I'm expecting the dollar to continue weakening back down to around 91 level, 92-91 level for DXY. So yeah, dollar going up. Let's see how it works out.